Viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ngozi and the name of my channel is Ngozi. In the channel is all about fertility, weight loss, health and beauty tips. So if you are stopping for the first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you know when next I upload another video. So in today's video, I am going to show you a home remedy for dry cough. This home remedy will help you if you've been coughing and coughing and coughing and the cough is not coming out and you don't have TB. This remedy will help you to loosen the lungs. Yes, this home remedy will relieve your lungs and it will take care of your cough. Your cough will be gone. This is tested and trusted. This is what I use at home. Even this one I'm making now is for my family because almost everybody is coughing. And actually I tried over the counter medication because sometimes when this kind of thing starts and you don't have things you will need to do them at home, you need to try the most available thing. And that was I met a doctor. Children of these days, so he recommended a medication for us. We've used so many of them, even antibiotics, and it's not working. So I need to do what I know how to do best. This is what I'm going to do for everybody. So this cough syrup I'm going to make right now is for everybody. Both children, infants, adults can take it. It's for everyone. No one, you cannot say that you can take it. But if you have an ulcer, you can just limit the way you take it, okay? But you can take it, but don't take it too much. Don't take it for a very long time, okay? So, and as you're taking it, if you have ulcer, you have to be watching your system. So we are not going to waste much time in this video because this is already evening. My children are around and just I want to quickly do this. Now, the ingredients we'll be needing to make this cough syrup is, we need treatment is lemon. We'll be needing lemon in this treatment. We will also be needing dried ginger. This time around is dried ginger. So I made a video for cough as well with fresh ginger. So if you are more comfortable with the fresh ginger, I will link the video in the I'll put the video in the end play card. Towards the end of this video, you can watch it. It's instantly relieve your cough and cold. That one works perfectly too. But if you are doing it, you are just going to consume it immediately. You're not going to keep it. But this one we can keep it for some days. That's why I want to use this. And children can easily take this one. Unlike that first one. That first one is only for adults. Children can also take it, but it's not tasty, so they wouldn't like is ginger and lemon, as both ginger and lemon have anti-inflammatory properties which helps to reduce irritation in the throat and lungs, as well as clearing the airways and relieve a dry cough. So we'll be needing this. We'll be needing this. So this is not the only ingredient I'll be using to do this. So I urge you to stay tuned and watch as I make it. I'm not only going to show you how to make this, I'm also going to show you how you are going to take it at the end. The dosage for children, dosage for adults. As for if your child is a year and 3 months, I mean, if you have a 1 year, if you have a 1-year-old child, he or she can also take it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to juice my lemon. If you can get a lemon juice that you can trust, I would advise you get a lemon juice if you cannot do this. But for me, I actually saw it in market, but sorry, sometimes I have trust issue. I don't know if everything they have there is lemon or if they mix it with something else. So since I have fresh lemon in the market, I decided to buy fresh lemon. If I don't have it, I'll go for alternative. But since it's here, there is no need. There's no need of buying those ones in the can. Although they can be lemon juice anyway, but they can be So yeah, I don't know if you can see it. That's the juice I extracted from the lemon. Lemon juice, yeah, as big as this. So, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to add. I'm going to add my ginger, my powdered ginger. So I need, this is tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. So I will need, because of the amount of lemon, I'm going to need, four tablespoon of dried ginger. I mean powdered ginger rather. That's the third one. That's the fourth one. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to mix it up. I need to mix it thoroughly. You have to stir it like this until it is completely mixed. Yeah, I needed to do this with this. You can use bottle to do it directly, but then I prefer to mix it here inside this plate so that I can mix it very well. I can mix it very well before transferring it to a container. Very well, please. It's very important that you mix it very well. Everything needs to be mixed, properly mixed. So the next thing I'm going to be needing here is honey. This is organic honey. Please, it must be organic. It must be original. Don't use fake honey. If you use fake honey, this treatment is not going to work. Honey has antibacterial properties and can also help to coat the throat, alleviating irritation. A cough suppressant ingredient for reducing nagging bouts of nighttime coughing in children. So this is very perfect. Normally, honey treats cough on its own. If you don't, want to take all these things, you can just use honey. But the thing is that it's going to take much time if you use only honey. But if you combine these three ingredients, it's going to be very powerful and it's going to work wonders for you. Please, this is serious. I've already told that I'm making this for my family, so I'm not. And after making this one, I'll also make for a friend because she's also having, our children are also having this kind of cough that does not want to go. So as I've said before, if you don't have original honey, this will not work. So get original honey wherever you can find it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to mix my honey with the lemon, ginger, with the lemon and ginger. We also need to turn this. Honey is a little bit thick. Honey is thick, sha. It's not a little bit. Honey is very thick. So you have to turn it. Turn it until it is everything is well mixed. Our cough syrup, our wonder working cough syrup is ready. This is wonder working. This you will start seeing serious improvement from third day. Serious improvement as from third day you might have stopped coughing completely. You must have stopped coughing. You don't even have any trace of cough if you do this treatment. As from third day, you will not see any trace of cough again in your throat or in your lungs or whatsoever. Everything will be gone and gone for good. So this is the treatment. This is how you're going to take it. This is a tablespoon, right? You use tablespoon for an adult. If you have a very serious cough, you can take 2 tablespoons morning, afternoon, and night. Then if it is not that serious, if it's just starting and you want to, stop it, you don't want to suppress it, you don't want it to, escalate, you take just 1 tablespoon 3 times daily. Then for a child of a year, this is a baby spoon. This is a baby spoon. So you give your child this spoon, baby spoon, 3 times daily. for a child of a year. Then if your child is already 3 years, you can give your child this twice. You give your baby this twice, one in the morning, twice in the morning, twice in the afternoon, and twice in the night. So this is it. Then you are going to leave this in your, you are not going to refrigerate it. You're going to keep it somewhere very safe. Please, after you have transferred it into a jar, anytime you want to use it, do not forget to shake the jar before using it. Shake it very well so that everything will be equal. So it will not be like one thing is settling the other side and another thing is there. So whenever you want to take it, you shake it very well before taking it. Thank you very much.